Hey, it's Lego Train 489 here. This is my Lego tow truck I built today. It took like about a few hours. I have to find the pieces. It has a working winch that actually has a hook right here, see? I found in my Legos. Good thing I have that hook. But it has a motor here. These two over here. Back here spins these wheels. It has a working steering wheel. The motor in the steering is right here. It just turns this little gear right here that spins. If I can open this, hold on. You just open it right up and you can see the mechanics in there. It just spins this right here, and that what turns the wheels. And the remote I use has this. These are to help me grip. It's kind of stubborn sometimes when I can't really control it really well. You just place this back on. I'm going to change the part up there. I like the little design on top right here. It looks like a diamond. Might put a little diamond hood ornament. That's working lights up in front. And the fuel tanks. I'm not done with it. I have to put the smokestacks, the exhaust pipes. And this is it is radio controlled, except the winch. Like real one, they have a switch, like levers in the back, and they use it to lift the boom and lower down the tow bar. Let me see if I can get it to go somewhere. You just turn the lights on like that. She's ready to go. It's a nice looking truck. Oh. Taking the steering, making sure everything is good to go. There it goes. Right now we're going this way, so. Uh-oh. It's fine. She's working great. She works really good. Sometimes it will slip around. Let me get out of the way. The truck is coming through. We are also going to have more trucks that drive around. We're going to have a RC truck show. Lego form. Too bad it doesn't have sound. That'll be awesome. Now I'm going to show you how the winch works. Let me slide this out. They unhook the thing. Lift this up. Just lower that down. Stand it up. My grandma is behind the camera. She's very friendly. She loves my stuff I build. You know how she is. We have a bird. She's fun to have around. Her name is Jewel. You tries to attack it.
You bad bird.
She is cute. I mean, she is a sweetie. It's way down. Oh, that's way down. That's the way down. So I don't have a truck to tow right now, but you can actually maybe lower this down. Hold on, let me do something up. Okay, we're good. You can actually use this, hold on, to lift the tow bar up. Hold on. Uh-oh. That wasn't. But anyway, I have. Sometimes you can take the. I can take the motor off and redo it. But actually, I have a special trick. You just take this off. I'm not breaking it. It's supposed to do this. It's a special feature. It goes right there, and then you can take this whole thing off, and then you can put a piece right here in a trailer. It can be an 18-wheeler truck, and you can drive it like that. It's a pretty cool truck. It's really awesome. I made it. Oh, the girl behind me is my friend Deanna. She doesn't like the camera. You okay, Deanna?
All ready to go. So
Kipper! Say hello!
That's her dog. That's my mom's dog. That's our dog, Kipper. We wanted to call him Rio.
Come on, Kipper sounds better.
I think Rio sounds the best. You know how much I'm a big fan of that movie. I'm a big fan of that movie, so if you're wondering why I named my bird Jewel and him Rio, I'm a big fan. That's why you might hear the word Jewel. She's a beautiful bird. Right there. That's a pretty bird. She used to say, pretty girl, peekaboo. She still says pretty girl, peekaboo. Right, Grandma?
And lots more stuff.
She.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Come here.
Bye-bye.
Come here, come on. What are you doing?
What are you doing, huh?
Bye-bye.
She goes wah wah like that. That's pretty funny. But let me winch up my. Where's my? Oh, there it is. See, all these special features are supposed to happen. It's supposed to happen.
Smile for the camera, Kipper.
And then we lower this down, and then
Kipper's scared.
here's the you can see the mechanics right here, the motor.
Yeah, I can see your head.
Sorry. You can sorry. That was my hand. This is the motor, the shaft, and this is to connect this to this. This is the gear, like I showed you. It hooks into the gear right there, and that what turns it.
Yeah, it's kind of dark, so we can't really see those details through the camera. There's no light. That's okay. Don't take it apart.
I'm trying to push this down.
I would need some light down there to actually see all those details.
Actually, that's what this comes in. See? Motor, shaft, support, connector, and gear box.
Just take the headlight off and use it as a flashlight.
That's another special feature.
Yeah.
The fuel tank. I mean, the fuel tanks, I know they don't match, but it still gives a good touch. Like white and gray. Have you ever seen that before? White and gray?
You just didn't have two the same color?
I was going to rebuild this red, white, and blue. Like a patriotic colors on here.
Red, white, and blue.
Go Patriots.
Yeah. No.
Go Patriots. Look, there's Kipper and Deanna. And here's me.
Why don't we flip the script and turn it on Grandma?
She is funny.
You put that on the internet. You're going
Okay.
to have some photos on the internet.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. This is my 18-wheeler. This is the Lego Train 489. I'll give you another review when I build another truck. And maybe some trains.
All you need is a horn.
Wait. I just need a motorize some more trucks, and we're good to go. We're gonna have a truck rally, especially this one.
Take off now. Bye-bye.